Body kit, bagged, boosted, brand new wheels. Oh my god. Oh, I see something over there. It's a box. See a box. There's a box. No more time to waste. All I ask is get this video to 1,500 likes. With that being said, here are the wheels. Let's get it. We're doing the unboxing in the middle of nowhere. Yes. Actually, don't skip forward. Comment below what color or what color scheme you think the wheels are gonna be, or what brand.
Don't cheat, don't cheat.
Okay, here's the rundown. You know that vision you have, but you're missing one piece to complete the vision. Well, you guessed it. This is the big piece we're missing. Yo! Oh my gosh, I present to you the Fitment 2.0 wheels. This is next level. This freaking custom.
디스커스팅한 냄새가 나요.
These are insane. So these are the Corsa Forged RS1 wheels. I'm not too much of a custom guy, but this is probably the coolest thing about the wheels. Check this out. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, baby. We got custom wheels that say subscribe on them. They're just epic. They're two-piece wheels. They're like a really nice, like goldish, like a darkish goldish, along with a chrome polished lip. I think that's what you call it. The rears are 19 by 11s. The fronts are 19 by 10s. Similar specs to right now. Obviously, I will put the offset on the screen. I don't quite remember. But oh my gosh.
Disgusting shit.
Yo, gosh. Kind of a mixed feeling and emotional day today. I've had these wheels on, I think, since 2019. This is what they look like. Look at this. How big this look like when it's not. Okay, let's not make things that dramatic. That's a pretty cold start. These wheels are really part of Brittany 1.0 when we transformed the car and put the Nismo conversion on. As you read, well, we're moving on. I love these wheels. I really do. I'm actually gonna go ahead and sell them as well. So if you guys want to get these wheels, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at RealDannyZ. But today's that type of day, my friend. The wheels we're gonna be selling them. The rears are 305 by 30 by 19. The fronts are 245 by 40 by 19. Okay, this is the last time you guys are gonna be I can't speak. This is the last time you guys are gonna see Brittany. Black and red. Alright, say goodbye. Goodbye. Also, if you're new here, ask yourself, am I subscribed to this channel? If you're not, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Go ahead and subscribe. Actually, I'm even gonna start the car while you do that. The car's dead. No, I wish you could make this up. Clutch is in. Car's dead. Windows ticking. That's why this video is sponsored by Battery Pack. I'm just kidding, no it's not. It's actually sponsored by a subscribe button. It's pretty simple. I mean, all you gotta do is smash that subscribe, and then your life will improve by 1,000%. That's a fact. Gotta get the camera. This is what YouTubers do, right? All right, what are you making? What are you making?
Okay, so is that one is calling, or I don't know how it's in English, but I hope so. It's a broncosaurio ribs or something like that.
Sounds like a dinosaur.
Yes, something like that, like a broncosaurio ribs, something like that. Yeah, that's. Ooh, yeah.
We're literally cooking up dinosaurs out here. Yeah, definitely not. I feel like I've arranged these kind of bad, but I think we have so much room that I don't really got to think about how to put the tires in. Be nice, okay? Be nice. Okay, back there, we got the 19 by 10s, the little Johnnies. In the front right back here, we got the big Johnnies, 19 by 11s. Here we got the big Schmeat number 2, and then smaller Schmeats back there. I normally like going to this one local place, but they're not open on Sundays, so I gotta take them to Firestone. Either way, the last time I went was great, but we'll see. We shall see. So I couldn't really film inside of Firestone, but that's what the conversation was like. Hi, how are you? I have wheels and tires that I want to get dismounted and then mount the new wheels onto the old tires.
Can we do it tomorrow?
Since the tires weren't quote unquote new, they wanted to check them out and see if they could do it. And guess what?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Sweet. We got the green light. Let's go. And you may be wondering, Danny, why are the tires still on the old wheels? Imagine you've been waiting to put your dream wheels on. And I'm a pretty patient guy. If you told me it's gonna be done on Monday, I'm probably not gonna call until like later in the day to see what's going on. I didn't expect the worst thing that could happen, which is they said they're too scared to work on the wheels. The guy's not comfortable doing it. So yeah, I had to call them, by the way. They didn't call me earlier to let me know. No, I had to call them literally 1 hour before they closed for them to tell me that they can't work on my wheels. But like always, everything happens for a reason, and the reason is always a good reason. We took the wheels to Carlito's shop instead, where Dyno and Brittany made almost 700 wheel horsepower. Oh, I just realized that the R32's gone. Check this out. We got a completely just empty. God dang. Yeah, they're about the same. Because with this, I weigh 180.
Gym gains right there.
Sir.
Picks up the wheel.
But I'm doing curls right now. So they weigh about the same. So like the 19 by 11s are the 26 pounds around. It's not bad. Is that a lot for a wheel or no?
19 by 11.
No.
Oh my gosh.
This thing looks crazy. Oh, by the way, check out how cool that S2000 is over there. But oh my gosh, that's amazing. What's the most horsepower someone's made on this dyno?
That one I made the most power. It was like, yeah, like 1440.
Oh, on the S2000?
That's what that was.
Nice. You know why I'm laughing? I'm literally that meme where it's like your wheels cost more than the actual car, except the wheels are not on the car, they're in the car. But I'm still that meme. And if you're asking where the other two are, they're in the minivan. Car doesn't even want to start. That's just put it that way. Huge thank you to Carlito. Actually, I don't care. If you guys need anything in the Naples area, come over here. Let's get home and put these on because I'm so hyped. I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. So Animal Z just recently bought a new Porsche. This is where he came to buy it. The Porsche Naples, right next to my house. I think he got like a 992 GT3. I'm not even sure. I'm doing a GT4 and the GT cars are just next level. They're amazing. Okay, you gotta be honest with me. Which set of wheels do you like better? The old Ford Stars or the new Corsas? I love the Ford Stars, but this is truly my first ever nice, like pretty nice set of wheels, and I'm so happy that it's for Brittany. And this wheel company is actually owned by one of my really good friends. So I was like, yo, I love the wheels. I'm not just getting them to support you. I actually really love them. And what I love about them most is, if you haven't already noticed, it is like a V1 Nismo wheel or like face with like a nice slip. It is a two-piece like I just said. But okay, enough talking. Nobody cares, Danny. Danny, just shh, put them on the car. Whew, here we go. Oh, the O-ring or whatever you want to call it from the previous wheel is in here. Oh, this thing is stuck. It fits. Whew. This is illegal. This? Yeah, that's illegal. Yep. Check this out. Woo! There's actually more light now than when it's daytime. Okay, so here's where I'm worried. On the rear, we actually have 10mm spacers. And last night I noticed that it was sticking a little too out for my liking. Now the fronts are absolutely perfect. I'm not running any spacers and it's already looking like, oh my gosh. It's guys, the front is gonna be perfection. Damn, yeah. It touches the wheel whenever I try to air out. I think a perfect thing for this would be a 5mm spacer instead of a 10, 100%. Look at this fitment. Too aggressive. No. I could definitely roll it like this, but I do like to tuck a little more. So we gotta take out the little spacer real quick. Body kit, bagged, boosted, brand new wheels. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to use tire shine. No, I forgot to use tire shine. Forgive me. And I don't want to call myself out, but we also need new lug nuts. They are on the way though. We did just look at it. Just look at it. This is so freaking amazing. By the way, the car is still on because I don't want it to die like it has died over 20 times this video. Running like a thief in the night. 16 missed calls. Here's the crazy thing. This is not Brittany 2.0 yet. We still have a big mod and a couple little things here and there that if you've been following the channel, you know we're missing a couple things up front, a little thing or two at the top, some big things in the rear, lights. We also just recently hit 90,000 subscribers, so thank you. This is like the last runway to 100K. We're gonna get there quick. I just know it. There's some guys to my right and they keep looking over here. They like the build. They like the build. I honestly just don't know what to say at this point. You saw the B-roll. You enjoyed the wheels. You like the car. Or maybe you don't. Let me know down below. With that being said, I'm gonna leave. I love you guys. Peace.